I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone 16 is updated and backed up because you will change voice data. That preserves settings if anything goes wrong. Once done, open Settings and tap Siri and search. Make sure Siri is enabled and the correct language is chosen. Language mismatches break recognition. Next, toggle off Listen for Hey Siri and press Side button for Siri. Wait 5 seconds. Then proceed to re-enable them so the system clears short-term voice associations. Now you retrain Siri. Re-enable Listen for Hey Siri and follow the on-screen prompts, speaking the sample phrases slowly and naturally so the phone learns your voice pattern. At the same time, choose the Siri voice and language that best match your accent because recognition improves with matching models. Make sure apps have microphone access and that you perform setup in a quiet room. Background noise confuses the model. If you use multiple voices or dialects, repeat training for consistency. Finish by testing practical commands like calling a contact, sending a message, and setting a timer. Watch for missed wake words or misinterpretations so you know what to fix. If problems persist, go to Settings Right Arrow Siri and search Right Arrow Siri and Dictation History and delete history to clear server-side voice data, then retrain. If you still have issues, reset network settings or record a voice memo to check the microphone. Poor audio input is a common culprit. Contact Apple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.